going to now add a push button that'll start the extension. So I'm going to go Object, Button, Push Button. I'm going to click and drag an approximate size, and I'm going to call this, now we want to go back to there, but I'm just going to, this is going to simply be Start, and we're going to name both the on and off text Start. Now to pick the tag, I'm going to drop down and look for the HMI Start Cycle push button. Okay. I'm going to just look at it. I'm going to make sure I select that to momentary on. We won't be using the momentary off. We will use a toggle later. Now I go like here, kind of drag that. Okay. So that's my push button. That's Start. There's not a lot of room on this 3. So if I was 3-inch screen, I could go Cycle Start. I just hit Enter there. But you see, oh, and that didn't work. I can't do that. I gotta go here, Cycle Start. Oh, that's because I'm looking at the off text and the button is highlighting on. Cycle. I'll go back to Cycle Start and Cycle Start. If we want to see what it looks like, we can change here and kind of see what it's going to look like. But I'm just going to leave it there. And there we go. We have Cycle Start. I go in there and I look and I can say, you know, that should be aligned from middle. This should be aligned in the middle. And if you like things aligned, that's how you do that. Now you see it's not perfectly aligned. Well, that's because I think I had a space right in there. Or am I looking at the on text? Boom. And that's kind of the pain of these things. So I'm going to simply go back to Start. Okay. So that gives me my start. I'm now going to go to a new push button. About the same. I'm going to say this is stop. And I'm going to say this is stop. I'm going to change the momentary there. And I'm going to pick HMI stop. And I think maybe I'll just put those in line there. So I've got some other things planned. So that's using the tags that have been built in